2004 GMC Envoy XUV SLT, one owner with 67,900 miles. Running boards, brand new tires, one owner in immaculate condition. Sorry about the wind noise. This video is going to be a little bit because I'm going to show you all the options on this vehicle. Fog lights, rear fog lights, tow package. One owner, all original, no accidents. I want to show you every option this vehicle has. Super unique vehicle. Cloth seats, power windows and locks, dual climate control, 67,918 miles at the time of the video. Everything works on the vehicle. There's two power rear windows, and then there's a power rear hatch that I'll show you how that thing works. This SUV turns into a truck. Turns into a truck. Alright, and then I'm going to have Rudy get in there and show you how it turns into a truck. It's basically an Avalanche that's an SUV. You'll see in just a second what I'm talking about. Power rear window comes down. Then the power top comes up, and it allows you to not only put things on top like a drawer or a desk, but you can also store it as a truck. Once again, 2004 GMC Envoy XUV, one owner, 67,900 miles, in like new condition.